Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. And now it's time for a self-quiz. We're going to focus on ellipses. Now, the idea of a conic section, as I've repeated probably throughout this video series, is it's slicing through some cones here. What kind of shapes, what kind of intersection curves result? Well, we've got parabolas, we've got circles. Now we're going to be talking about ellipses, and the next self-quiz will deal with hyperbolas right there. All right, now a little review for ellipses. Now you know the basic shape of an ellipse is a circle that's flattened and stretched out at some point. Now just like a circle, it has a center right there. Okay. Now the center is going to be located at HK. So in this lower formula here, this is the standard form of an ellipse. We have a H and a K that we need to look for. Notice the subtraction sign right in front of it there. And it's a x squared group and a y squared group with an h and a k in there. So if you can find the h and the k, that's where the center is. Now in the denominators here, we have a squared here under the x's and b squared under the y's. Now it looks fairly complicated, but once you know what to look for, you know how to graph the ellipse. So if you find the a value, that's the major axis here. Okay, that's the horizontal part of this ellipse, how wide it is. And from the center, you go out in a direction to the right, A units, and A units to the left. So if you can find the A there, start from the center and work your way out. The B is the minor axis, if it's actually smaller. And in this example, it is. And you go up from the center and down from the center, B units. So you find the A and the B values. So that tells you the size of the ellipse. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of examples I want you to try. I'm giving you number 9 and number 10, and I want you to take a look and obviously be able to write the equation in standard form from what you see in the ellipse. So hit pause on this video and come back when you think you've got the answer. Go ahead. On number 9, your first job is to locate the center, which obviously is right there. All right, let's figure out what the ordered pair is. So we go back 4 on the x-axis and up 2 on the y-axis. So that's got to be a -4 and 2. All right, there's your -4 because x minus -4 is how we would write that. And then y minus 2, so yep, there's your +2 value after the subtraction sign. The next step is to figure out the a and the b values. Well, from the center, it looks like I go out, now you've got to watch the numbering down here, that's one whole unit that direction and that direction. So a is 1, which means that underneath this we have 1 squared, which of course is 1, and we actually don't even have to write it. In the other direction, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 units up and down. So the b value has got to be 3 in both directions there. And that's where the 9 comes from. All right, so after looking at all that, that is going to be my equation, standard form of the ellipse. Number 10, -1, 0. And the -1 gets put right in here inside this x group, and of course we change it to x plus 1 because of the sign change. And if y is 0, then that's really y squared. We can actually drop that 0 inside the parentheses group there. All right, so just a little adjustment with algebra there. And at the bottom we have 25, which comes from 5 squared, and 49, which comes from 7 squared. So the a values are going to be 5 going in both of those directions and 7 going up and down. All right, so it's just a matter of counting boxes and kind of checking out what you've got there. So putting in the equation there, that's what it's going to look like. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this is helping you. In the next and final video in this series, it's going to be about hyperbolas. Give that a look. Thanks. Bye. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.